Today we talk about how can you disable post notifications on your Clubhouse app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings, click on it here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just come here to post notifications here. Then all you have to do now, you just click in this sign here of this color. Then like you see color, it's gone now. That's mean here post notifications, it's disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do to disable it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.